Welcome to World History. This is 1111, the first half. I'm going to do a little introductory lecture here for you just to familiarize yourself with the class, the assignments, the points, things like that. This, of course, is in D2L for you. There are listed the course objectives and the student learning outcomes, and I'll let you look at those yourself. Realize that we teach 6 distinct surveys at Georgia Highlands College, history surveys. We teach a U.S. survey, which is broken into 2 parts. We teach a Western civilization survey, also broken into 2 parts. And this class, a world history survey, broken into 2 parts. 1111, and then the second part of world history is 1112. Now, this course is organized in modules. There are 6 modules, so you'll have activities, quizzes, primary sources, different things for each module. The first module is called Introductory Materials, and I've allotted 2 weeks for it. The second module is called Prehistory, and also 2 weeks allotted for it. The third module is the Human Web Widens, and here we go to 3 weeks. The fourth module is Retraction and Expansion, also 3 weeks. The fifth module is the World System, also 3 weeks. And then the sixth and final module is the Early Modern Era and Imperialism, and again, I've allotted 3 weeks for it. The course is based around these video lectures. These are embedded in D2L, so you'll watch them on your computer. I've included additional lectures taken off of YouTube, Crash Course History, Khan Academy, and some others. These are generally short. My lectures average about 10 minutes in length, and the lectures that I'm bringing in from the outside also average about 10 minutes in length. Your modules will also have primary sources, and we will have assessment quizzes over these sources. Each module will have a source chosen that kind of fits that era. You will read it, and then you will answer a series of questions regarding the context, the significance, the audience, the purpose, the credibility of that particular historical or primary source. There'll also be content quizzes per module. We've included maps and images for you, and there'll be discussion posts in each module as well. The assignments and points, since there are 6 modules, you can kind of get into that rhythm. There'll be a discussion post for each module. There'll be a primary source assessment quiz for each module, and there'll be a content quiz for each module. In addition, you'll have a midterm and a final. The midterm and finals will be comprised of an essay question, an ordering question where you put a series of events in the proper chronological order, and then also some true false or perhaps multiple choice questions. The grading scale is the one you've been used to all your life. 900, it's a 1,000-point system, so from 900 to 1,000 is an A, from 800 to 899 is a B, and so on and so forth. Now, in D2L, you'll see some valuable information, student resources, online tutoring, which I highly recommend. I'll go ahead and say it now. You should never submit any written work to a teacher without first having a tutor look it over. They'll improve your grammar and composition, it'll teach you how to write, and it'll improve your grades. So it's definitely a win-win situation. Also in D2L, in the syllabus, you'll see financial aid information. We have an early warning system here at Georgia Highlands College to alert students who are not performing up to par. We have advising information in D2L. And of course, we have disability services in your syllabus in D2L. Disability services is designed to provide students with reasonable accommodations should they suffer from some learning disability, whether it's problems with sight or hearing or attention deficit disorder or dyslexia or whatever it may be. You need to self-identify and then alert both your teacher and disability services, and we will do everything in our power to help you succeed in the course. Speaking of success, let me just mention a couple of general things here regarding online courses and how to succeed in them. The first thing you need to do is to develop a habit of logging in daily to your online courses. Here you'll see announcements, something may have changed, there may be something of importance that you need to see. So get into a habit of logging in daily. You can check due dates for your assignments so that you're not late. You need to submit all your assignments on time. You need to create a schedule that you can abide by. And again, this is more of a rhythm. If you can set aside 30 minutes a night or an afternoon or an hour or 15 minutes, it doesn't really matter the amount of time. It's the abiding by the schedule. If you can do this, it'll create a work habit, and it'll make you more successful. You should stay in touch with your teacher. A lot of online students have this notion that they're kind of out there on an island by themselves. And of course, that's not true. I'm an email or a phone call away. So stay in touch with your teachers. You need to engage the material. Now, as you go through college, you're going to take courses that you really don't have any interest in. I know if I had to take a chemistry course today that I would not look forward to it. But you need to resolve in your own mind that for 3 months or whatever the length of the semester is, that you're going to commit to that material. You're going to engage it, and you're going to do good work and learn as much as you possibly can. Once the course is over, you may delete it forever. You may never have to discuss the details of that course again, but while you're taking the course, you need to engage and commit to it. So here, in this particular class, you can watch the video lectures as many times as you want. And again, there are additional video lectures there for you. You can take notes as you watch these lectures. Bring some energy, bring some imagination to the course. Another key to success is to ask questions. There are problems, concerns, confusion that arise. Ask immediately. The minute you run across something you don't understand or that is not clear to you, email me. I'm very good at getting back to students to resolve problems while they're still small. It's better to keep them small and not let them get out of hand and mess up your semester. So, just a brief sort of introduction to the course. And again, all this is in D2L for you. And we'll start our regular lectures here shortly. And I wish you the best of luck. Thank you.